Sweetie, why do you look like that? Why wouldn't you put a nice dress on? No way! You can't go to school looking like that. Much better. Josie, sweetie, change! Oh no! Enough! Oh man, I'm late to school again. 1, 2, 3, 4. They built a cozy fort for themselves. Okay, an earthquake! Ashley, it's you! Hi, would you come down to me? Mom, you should come here instead. It's so fun! Ashley, are you all right? Want to go down? No, no one can know I'm afraid of heights. I just have to paint it and it's all done. Hi, Mom. Hi. What are you busy with? My homework. Cute drawing. Oh no, it's ruined. I'll fix it. Can't find a pen. I'll use another one. Faster. Got it. I should go. Don't forget your drawing. Bye. Josie, show us your work. Here. Josie, this is unbelievable. You are so talented. I'm giving you an A+. Keep up the good work. I'm heading out. Gotta go. Wait a minute. Who's staying with Josie? I'm in a rush. It's your turn today. I know what to do. We need a unicorn nanny. Josie's waiting. Bye, honey. Wow, a real unicorn. Hi, Josie. I know a great game. Let's play tic-tac-toe. Make a rainbow out of light clay. Make a few pieces. Shape clouds and add faces. Let them harden. Sew a fabric bag. Draw a tic-tac-toe field. Put the game chips in the bag. Whoa! We're playing for candy. Here goes my cloud. And I'm putting down my rainbow. My move. I win. And I get candy. Let's play again. No matter how hard the unicorn tries, Josie wins anyway. Take the last one. My magic star. What happened? Josie won all the candy. We'll pay with candy. Yay! What was your day like? Now there's enough candy to go around. I'll finish the water and throw the bottle away. Plastic is bad for nature. Are you saying I should take the bottle back out? Fine. Getting it out. Oh, I have an idea. This is for you. Cut petals out of a plastic bottle. Melt the edges over a candle. Hot glue petals together to make a flower. Cut the excess off a Q-tip. Apply a drop of hot glue and dip it in glitter. Glue stamens into the center of the flower. Attach to a hair clip. Thanks! You saved nature! Stop! A recycled plastic hair clip? I got it! What a long article! And it's so boring! Vivian is asleep! I gotta take advantage of this! Some makeup won't hurt nobody! Mom? Why would you scare me like that? Sweetie, you asked for a pet. Here it is. This turtle is yours. Thank you, Mom. Josie, give me the turtle. You're allergic. Bye. A cardboard dog. You definitely won't be allergic to it. Cut a dachshund silhouette out of cardboard. Draw and cut out a dog sweater piece. Prime it and paint it. Apply a pattern using a marker. Attach the sweater to the body of the dog. Add paws. Paint the dog so it looks like a dachshund. Add details. It's wonderful! Thanks! Fine! I have a pet too! It's just as good!
Wow!
A trained parrot! Oh yeah? Josie, you like cats! What? It's against the rules! What rules? You think that's a parrot? It can't even fly! Look at the cat! So pathetic! What is this weird noise? Hi! And they lived happily ever after. The end! Mom, don't leave! I'm scared! Don't worry, I'll leave a nightlight for you. Put this vase on a phone flashlight and you can go to sleep. I'm a genius! Thank you, Mom! Josie, I have a gift. It's a violin. Nice! Try to play something. Fine. My ears! I like the violin a lot. What is this horrible sound? It's torture for my ears. This is much better. I can still hear it. Sweet dreams, violin. You won't play a single note ever again. Vivian? Ashley? Have you seen my violin? We haven't. That's weird. Phew. Hi, I'm back. The waves were really high. But I bought a souvenir for you. Whoa! How nice! What did you bring for me? I didn't forget about you either. Here you go. I have an idea. This is for you, Josie.
Wow.
A school supply cup. Coat seashells with acrylic paint. Wrap a cup in air-dry clay. Press in the seashells and let them harden for 24 hours. Whoa! Thanks! It's no big deal. You can store your pencils here. Little Josie loves unicorns and guitars. Josie grew up, but her love for guitars hasn't changed. Sorry, unicorns. Josie, Colin, I brought popcorn. Thank you, Mom. Your mom is so adorable. I was going to watch a movie. Fine. Where's the photo album? Hi. Josie, help Mom. Colin, I'll show you Josie's baby pics. Mom, don't do that. Look at this cutie. She made the funniest faces. See? Is that actually you? You don't like the pics? Colin, we gotta go. Works like a charm. And the whole couch is mine. Make way! Make way! Josie, you forgot your lunch. Here, eat something. Don't forget to have food. Okay, Mom. What's taking so long? What's going on here? Why are the customers angry? We lost money. Because of you. How dare you yell at my daughter? what you did! No, Mom! What did you do? That's my boss! Whoops! Sorry! I didn't mean to! My head! You're fired! It's morning! Today is Mother's Day! Here's my gift! Mom! This is for you! Congrats on Mother's Day! Josie, sweetie! Thanks! A phone? Big deal! Whoops! I forgot I have another mom! I remember she always gave me great gifts when I was a kid! This is for you! Separate toy handcuffs and attach them to a chain. Attach a key with a keychain ring and an AirPods case. Oh, sweetie! This is the best gift ever! Put it on! Thank you, Josie! Josie will love it for sure! Hi, sweetie! We have a surprise for you! No peeping! A bit more! Shh! We're there! Open your eyes!
Wow!
This is your new condo! Whoa! Thank you, Moms! Make yourself at home! We gotta go! So fast? What's this noise? It's too sunny over there! But the yard is quiet! Moms? Sweetie, sorry for the noise! We moved too so we can be closer! My moms are a lost cause!